Sveti Stefan is a hotel resort on the Adriatic coast of Montenegro, approximately 6 kilometers, 3.7 miles, southeast of Budva. The resort is known commercially as Amman Sveti Stefan and includes part of the mainland, where the Villa Milosar is located. The hotel is now a 5-star franchise of the international group of Amman Resorts, completed in 2009 and operating under a 30-year lease. The hotel has been closed since early 2020 with no reopening date. Sveti Stefan was an island but is now connected to the mainland by a narrow tombolo. The resort in total contains 50 rooms, cottages, and suites on the island, and 8 grand suites at the Villa Milosar. The island has a 2-kilometer, 1.2 miles, coastline in the central part of Montenegro Adriatic coastline. It is situated to the south of Budva between Persno and Sveti Stefan villages. The pink sandy beaches of Sveti Stefan, Milosar Beach, and Queens Beach are part of the coastline. The island encompasses an area of 12,400 square meters, 133,000 square feet, 0.0124 square kilometers. The earliest record of Sveti Stefan is as the capital city of the Pastorvicai community, which became a protectorate of the Republic of Venice in 1423, having been independent since the 12th century. The Pastorvicai accepted Venetian sovereignty because they were fearful of attack from the Turks. They retained considerable autonomy and paid no tribute to Venice, in return for ceasing piracy against Venetian ships. According to a legend recounted by Stjepan Mitrov Ljubica, the town fortification was funded after Pastorvicai looted Turkish ships moored in front of Jaz during Barbarossa's siege of Kotor in 1539. The town was razed shortly after, during the Fourth Ottoman-Venetian War. After continuous pleas by Pastorvicai, the Venetian Republic agreed to rebuild it in the 16th century. In the 15th century, the fortified village was built to defend against the Turks and became a haven for pirates of the Adriatic. Initially, the island with its fortress had 12 families. In the 1800s, a village was established on the island with a population of about 400 people. Villa Milosar was built between 1934 and 1936 as the summer residence of Queen Maria Karađorđević, 1900 to 1961, of the Karađorđević family of Serbia, which was refurbished as part of the Amman Sveti Stefan resorts that opened in 2008 to 2009. The villa, surrounded by 800 olive trees, is laid out over a 32-hectare, 79-acre, plot. The population of the island declined in the first half of the 20th century, as residents left to join the armed forces or to move overseas. From 400 inhabitants in the 19th century, there were just 20 remaining by 1954. The communist Yugoslav authorities converted it into a luxury hotel and moved the remaining inhabitants to the mainland, and the island village became an exclusive resort frequented by high-profile elites of the world.